Smart contracts. The future of automation blockchain technology has rapidly risen. It has brought many innovations. Smart contracts hold significant potential. Smart contracts can streamline business. They do this by removing middlemen and automating agreements between parties. Smart contracts are, at their core, self-executing contracts. Their terms are written in code. They run on decentralized networks like Ethereum. This eliminates the reliance on intermediaries like banks and brokers. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are self-executing digital agreements that trigger actions automatically once specific conditions are fulfilled. Smart contracts differ from traditional ones. They use blockchain technology to ensure trust and transparency. Traditional contracts rely on legal frameworks and intermediaries. How smart contracts work in a real estate deal. A smart contract could automate the transfer of ownership. It would do this once the buyer sent the agreed amount in cryptocurrency. The code would check the payment and trigger the transfer. It would not need a notary or bank to verify the transaction. Advantages of smart contracts automation. One of the most significant benefits is the automation of processes. This helps streamline processes and minimizes the potential for human mistakes. Speed. By removing manual processes and intermediaries, transactions can be completed much faster. Challenges and limitations. Legal status. The regulatory landscape for smart contracts continues to develop. In many jurisdictions, they may not yet be legally binding or enforceable. Scalability. Blockchain networks like Ethereum are not scalable. They may not handle the huge transaction volumes that large organizations need. Industries benefiting from smart contracts. Finance. In finance, smart contracts automate payments, DeFi, insurance claims, and asset transfers. Supply chain management. Smart contracts can track goods across borders. They will trigger payments once the goods are delivered. This ensures transparency and reduces fraud. Conclusion. In conclusion, smart contracts are the future of automation. They are a better way to do transactions. They are more efficient, cheaper, and safer. Smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize industries like finance, healthcare, and law. They can do this by removing middlemen, automating processes, and providing transparency.